Well, alright guys, I am interested to see how this all works out. So I built this little track using overdrive for this particular vehicle right here. I can't remember what it's called. It's Jabaye or something. Jabaye. Anyway, it's a drifting vehicle. Has a really bad turning radius, and as of late I have not seen any way that I could turn the steering wheel any better than it does. But I'll just show you what is possible with this thing, and then we'll try a different vehicle. Yeah, you have to do this correctly. If you don't, what's going to happen is the vehicle will get stuck. So that's just one thing to think about. Here we go. You may think it's really easy to do, but it is really not. Especially because, as shown before, this vehicle does not turn very well. So you may think, oh, you could go really fast around this track, and maybe in a straight line, yes, that may be true. But then also, you'll see later when I try to drift the other vehicle. This is the Trueno, the 8.6. Whoa, there we go. Just dropped it off the side there. The Nissan has a lower clearance, and so it actually gets stuck and it hits bits of the track. So anyway, although this looks like it should be really easy, it is not. And it was really fun putting this track together, and I want to show you guys all of the cool things and the areas that you can drive through. But we're not going to go super fast for the reason I expressed earlier. And you can go underneath the bridge, but you have to be very careful. And if you just get one little thing off by a little bit, you will hit the side of the track, and then it will not be that easy to do. So that's why you see me going relatively slow, but not too slow, otherwise you can't even make it up the hill. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Totally worth it. Unfortunately, Overdrive discontinued their software, I think, where you have to pay fee or whatever. It's just that usual thing where when the company stops producing the thing that you love, then you're screwed. It requires a cloud-based app or whatever in order to do the good stuff, and you're always reliant on them not to discontinue the thing that you love. So that's so sad. But it happens to us in pretty much all of the cool things that we like. Whether it's a robot like Cosmo or our favorite robotic track like this. Anyway, that's just to show you guys that although I did the track pretty well the first time, it's easy to mess this up. See? Just coming off the jump. Alright, let me see if I can do this in one round without messing up at all. We're going to start from here. Oh, there we go. Let's start again. Here we go. The end. There we go. That just shows you guys the effort I put in to put this little track together. And now that we've fallen off the rails, literally, I will say bye-bye and see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Ooh, the X medallion. Look at that.